Morena tātou, welcome to Waipoua Awa, the field trip. We're here with Taoho Tane, also known as Snow. He is the General Manager for Te Roroa Development Group. Hey, it's great being here in Waipoua Forest and by the Awa as well, Snow.
Yeah. No mai piki mai hara mai ki te taha o te awa o Waipoua. He Waipoua he rere atu nei ki te tā pokopoko tāwhaki. So welcome here to the side of the Waipoua River, which flows out into the Tasman Sea. And Waipoua is such a significant place for us. The Awa is such a significant awa, as it's essentially been significant to keeping this thriving community of ours. You know, especially down in the lower reaches where we garden, and we carry on the same values that our ancestor Tūohu, who was a great gardener of Te Roroa, used to do in the valley.
And that part, Tūohu, has been a real inspiration behind the restoration of, well, not just the awa, but the whenua surrounding that.
That's correct. You know, Tūohu was a great gardener, a great warrior as well, and he saw the value in, you know, sustaining a community, as you needed to carry on with the old principles and the old values that have been passed down from generation to generation. And our ancestors were great gardeners, and Tūohu carried that on. Waipoua is such not only a valuable resource for the hapu in Waipoua, but you know, it not only sort of helped sustain the gardens because it carried alluvial silts down to the lower reaches, but it also was a key part of mahinga kai. So you know, the fish stocks coming up the river were so plentiful.
Yeah. And
I can remember even when I was a young man, you know, we would catch, you know, lots of mullet, lots of herrings, kahawai, and in my mum's time they used to catch sharks and snapper up the river. Wow. So it was a key resource for our farming.
And there's been a lot of pressures on awa around the home motu, and you know, we're looking forward to finding out more about some of the key tasks that are going on here to ensure the pristine nature of this awa will maintain into the future.
Yeah, sure. It is one of the cleanest rivers in the country. It is noted as being in the top 10 clean rivers in the country. And so there's a lot of monitoring going on by agencies and by iwi. And, you know, we've undertaken a whole lot of research around, you know, just how healthy is our awa. And just recently our younger teams were able to go in and with the help of some of the agencies and to enable them to look at what the fish stocks were in here. And the Waipoua was found to be a thriving river. So yeah, there's hope for the future.
Well, kia ora, it's great to be here. Thanks, Snow.
Thank you.